Okay, guys, rule number one, never braid the hair all the way down because this is what happens. But it's okay, I'm gonna put it in hot water again and twist it. But I just want to show you guys like what the hair itself looks like. But yeah, don't try to braid it down to where it like cannot like go any further. So, but other than that though, curls are popping. You guys probably can't even see my eyes. You probably can't even see my eyes. I'm loving this hairstyle.